Alright guys, so another item that we're going to need for tomorrow is how to work with proportions. So I want to go over some examples of proportions, have you guys try to work on some, have some problems for you to do, and we're going to focus more on this tomorrow. So you guys sort of worked before with proportions, but what I do when I solve proportions is I am going to cross multiply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the numerator of this fraction and multiply it by the denominator of this one. So I have 4 times a, and then I'm going to multiply these two numbers together. 10 times 10. So I have 4a equals 100. Divide both sides by 4. I get a to be 25. Okay? So all I'm doing is multiplying the numerator and the denominator of these two fractions and then these to get my value. So let's look at another one. Remember, you can tell the sub to stop it at any time if I'm going too fast. Okay? So, when I look here, I have 4 times 4. And then I'm going to have 3 times x minus 6. So I have 16 equals 3x minus 18. And then we're just going to solve this equation. Remember, I had to distribute the 3 to both terms. So I got 34 to equal 3x. You get x to be 34 over 3. So this is a similar one. Multiply those two and those two. So I got 4 times x equals 5 times x minus 1. So I got 4x equals 5x minus 5. So I have negative 1x equals negative 5. Divide both sides by negative 1. You got x to be positive 5. And let's do one more. Remember, you guys can stop the sub at any time if it's going too fast. So I'm taking 4 times x minus 6. And then I'm taking x minus 2 times 3. So I got 4x minus 24 equals 3x minus 6. Subtracting 3x, 1x minus 24 equals negative 6. You have 1x equals 18. Okay? And we're going to talk about what this means. It means that if I plug 18 in place of x, if I do 18 minus 2 and 18 minus 6, these two fractions should equal to each other. So I get, what do I get? I get 16 over 12. What does that simplify to be? 4/3. Okay, both sides are exactly the same. I have answers, so I want you guys to try the next two, and then when you're done, you can tell us how to stop it, and when you're done, then she can show you guys the answers to these questions. And this is what you guys should have got. See you tomorrow. Work on the proportion ones.